mo akwa edit by lentex so send your first time our channel so make sure so subscribe to the channel. No one like video, no one turn notification on so that anytime there a video YouTube for every make sure so make send am. So in the video ni make sure kwan be fast with just an app and we make it over 50 cedis in just 2 days or 3 days. Okay, so our app ni to make you MOMO. Okay, you say most of the people no need PayPal account because of Ghana and you need access to PayPal. So before we video na say about like PayPal na issue amount. Okay, so me and some finding out I research after so I made video and most of the people in Ghana and so bet me benefit. Okay, so in the video na me and how like effort payment method no. Okay, to make you afa MOMO. Alright, and I want to because currency in the crown Ghana cedis. Okay, in the app so app watch. Okay, promo in our running. So but you can be fast or to me now registration in do be fast process. Now what to me now it's what many will see that able 50 cedis airport. Okay, making sure say we follow video steps now them on in any guidelines now obey no. Okay, for baby which Roma de ni phenomenon who app in phenomenal video no man can some for any say no thing say but can say steps na the mountain be or have do mo say we so one share video no na on follow steps na bon say the say we unkoye nsa into the say we nya no so sa akonya no unkonya nsa make sure so be stay tuned to the video na we follow steps na the be mountain na say na be ya sa akonya we no so betumi enya bi. Okay, so say ensemble am my come phone na me ncho kwan abefa so a betumi enya sika over 50 cedis in just 2 days. Okay, so app na de be adwuma tse say na sika na. Okay, so mom use Android no call app store and iPhone phone so call Play Store now. Okay, now I download the app in the premise. Okay, so we download the app now. No I call app now. Okay, so we call app inside that because we are new to the app no we call sign up. Alright, so we select to sign up almost 2 ways I'll be to me signing up with a Google account in Apple so email account. Okay, so maybe the my Google account no and I'm the best signing in. Alright, so we select your Google account and we are no me continue. Alright, I'm sending a message amount our Gmail account no no catch you say call Gmail account. Alright, now for call sign in so notification number send amount and then I will be use so they are signing in your account so who be a Gmail now just say there's a link so person on sign in I use this link. Okay, until be me a link so sign in nearby ban. Alright, now we continue on the neighbor because say maybe say app language then I will pay. Alright, now I select English because probably say English now here. Now I select English. No select English we are no me continue. Alright, we continue. If I just say bo full name, bo full name e dey show. Make sure so bo full name e dey show. Alright, so bo full name ni show na we me next. If I just say select age group. So one kasa wo hwe mu a age group a wo say be 2002 year 2004 year 2000 year 90 now I select account now I confirm. Alright, so we confirm we be so person share location now select share. So your access be baby on be request or say who say that app no onye mawa nti one kasa because of sika na ohia nintin. Alright, bibi a mo request wo no hwe na privacy na mawa no answer obe allow it so hwe na how just allow it because the more we allow apps no omo na run nyama bebre o phone so that more na so me first no mo dey oka. Okay, and there are other things so app inside that ube. Alright, so sa nyama ni na do be go through we hu kwan a be fa so a be set settings ni na. Okay, so app ni mu no your tax bebre be ma app ni. Okay, be your questions. Alright, now or maybe some question is like a teaching app. Alright, so maybe some question now I make sure so we answer questions. So questions now answer and found ni and here will be chat and I say the obeti. Alright, the omu here and say the particular time now be ma say oh ebi a spend time we ɛwɔ question we ho no wobɛyɛ dɛ wobɛ spend ɛwɔ saa question no wonya spend saa time no wɔ question no pɛ no na ɔmbɛka yɛ ɔmbɛma notification sɛ wa complete saa question we so wobɛtumi ayɛ answer another question. Alright, so now deɛ ɔmbɛyɛ ne sɛ wa complete saa question na ewie no ɔmo ankasa notification mu no ɔmbɛka kyerɛ sɛ ɛbɛdi within some hours bi na ɔmo confirm wei na mo so ɔmo confirm pɛ then don sɛ wei question na answer and sika na ɛsɛ ɔmo ma wo ɛbɛba wɔ account mu. Alright, now wei no question and then answers so wobɛtumi in a day no wobɛtumi answer as many questions a wobɛtumi wopɛ sɛ wo answer. Alright, na wo answer wie a na watwɛn saa hours na ɔmo ankasa ɔmo bɛ run no sɛ wei no ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo hu sɛ nipa ankasa na ɛyɛ nyɛ computer bi na ɛyɛ. Alright, so in a day no wobɛtumi answer at least bɛyɛ 4 questions na afei wagya ato hɔ. For one question biara ɛwɔ sika a ɔmo bɛma wo. Alright, one question biara ɛwɔ sika a ɔmo bɛma wo so the more question na wobɛ answer no ɛkyɛ ɛdu bɛyɛ 3 days 2 days ɛkɔ no na you are free to go 50 cedis bi anaasɛ more than 50 cedis bi ɛwɔ account mu. Account no mu ɛsɛ account balance no yɛ 0.25 na ɛsɛ 25 pesos na ɛwɔ account no mu sisi a but ɔmo akyerɛ sɛ before a wobɛtumi ɛyi sika no ɛsɛ wonya ɛyɛ almost I think 30 cedis ansa na 28 cedis. Alright, ansa na wobɛtumi ayɛ cash out. Alright, so wohwɛ ase a woyɛ saa tax wie a that 27 cedis deɛ ɛnyɛ sika bi a wontumi nduru sisi a deɛ nya sɛ saa tax na ɛwɔ ha ne nyinaa wobɛyɛ ne nyinaa sɛ woyɛ ne nyinaa wie a within 3 days ɛkɔ no sɛ na meka wobɛtumi anya sika over 50 cedis in just within 2 days ɛkɔ. So this app so one of the app a ɛyɛ the easiest way a wobɛ make sika. Alright, so now sɛ wobɛbisa sɛ akwan bɛn so na mɛfa a yɛbɛtua me ka sɛ menyɛ saa sika wei so wohwɛ ɛyɛ my earnings na ɛwɔ top na wobɛhu sɛ na ase na ɔmo akyerɛ cash out na wo select ɛyɛ cash out na wohu sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ wo sɛ ɛyɛ too low sɛ wobɛyi sika. Alright, but wonya sika no wie pɛ no wobɛhu sɛ ɛbɛba ɛyɛ down ha sei a sɛ fa wo ɛyɛ wo MOMO number ɛhyɛ wo anaasɛ number na wopɛ sɛ wo receive ɛyɛ payment wɔ so no fa hyɛ wo na wode number no hyɛ wo na womia ɛyɛ confirm pɛ no within some few minutes na wobɛhu sɛ sika no ɛbɛba ɛyɛ wo mobile money account. So we are one of the simplest way a wobɛ make sika ɛwɔ online with just an app ɛwɔ wo phone so sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ obi a wowɔ hɔ with leisure time wopɛ sɛ womfa nyɛ biribi apart from sɛ wo ready anaasɛ wo spending on other things no so wobɛtumi aba ɛyɛ wo phone so just wo solve questions ɛno nso wobɛtumi anya sika. Okay, saa mmerɛ wei a maboa wo a wobɛtumi anya sika over 50 cedis ɛkɔ no mɛsɛ wo sɛ wo so bɛmake sure sɛ wobɛsubscribe to the channel na afei any post notification no so that any time I make post video like this one YouTube for every notification say the video be say I better my account so brand na bɛhwɛ. Okay.